Stevesy. Thanks a lot for watching this, and you know, it's just my effort to bring funniness to you. Today's episode is really awesome. Was today the first time that you've ever killed anybody?
We did it together. This is the first time ever.
Damn! Really?
I've never killed anybody.
You've never killed? Oh, you gotta get your story straight. No way! Like, noticed which way you brush your teeth? Like, is it counterclockwise?
Do circles.
Okay, but yes, but what kind of circles?
To the left, so counterclockwise. What? Which way's clockwise? Which way's counterclockwise? This way's counter.
Yo, why do you do it in circles?
You don't brush your teeth in circles?
No, my dad's a dentist and he says you go like down.
You're very much just to brush your teeth in circles.
Well, my dad said down.
My dad said down. My dentist has always told me to brush your teeth in circles.
Well,
Little circles. Circles. Do you brush your teeth in circles?
I don't do any of that.
You don't brush your teeth.
Have you, when you wear a thong, like on your feet, when you wear a thong on your feet, do you only ever let it divide the first toe and the second toe? Like, do you ever just like put it in between
Never.
Ew, no.
other toes?
That's very uncomfortable.
Yes, but how do you know?
I've
done it.
accidentally done it.
I've done it. The nail salon, they'll put it on
separate
your
every feet.
Yeah, separate every toe.
Yeah.
With the thong.
Yeah.
With like a
It has,
divider.
like, a bunch of things.
And it's like very uncomfortable.
And you're just like, hey!
I take it out as soon as they leave. They're like, don't take it out for like 30 minutes.
You take it out. You take the thong out.
Yep.
So you're just like, hey, Asian woman, stop it. Is that what you should do?
Exactly.
Yeah, okay. Alright. We're not in Asia. You stop that, weird toe wrangler. Right?
I'm gonna hop in.
I mean, there's soap, there's water,
That's very true.
there's a beautiful naked Australian body. And there's jumping. That is not gonna be a good thing.
That's very true.
Like,
That's very
what
true.
is going on? Why did he say he was beautiful? It's so weird. It's like the ugliest thing I've ever seen. Like, I wish that I didn't have to look in this direction, but this is the way the cars go. I have to know what's going on. Why does he keep doing this? What voice is that? This is the stupidest.
Subscribe to driving_me crazy.